All right, folks. So what we got here is a Kia Sportage. We are going to do the cabin air filter. Like most cabin air filters, they're in the glove box. All right, they're behind the glove box, so we're going to remove the glove box or at least lower it to get it out of the way. Now, in this particular model, oh, we got a full house. There is a cable on the side right here. What this is there's actually a square hole on the side, and you stick it through the hole, and then it locks in there and stays like that. So when you get it, it's going to be looking just like this on the inside. So what you need to do is you need to pull on the cable, turn it this way, stick it out through the hole, which is this hole right here. All right, once you stick it out of the hole, then the cable is free. To put it back later, you're going to stretch it, make it long ways, put it back in the hole, and let it lay flat on the inside. All right, and on the sides over here, there's actually a little clip here. You can actually, with your fingernail or your thumbnail, just push it out of the way, and there's a little black little knob. But I find it easier for you to just push it in on the inside like that, and it'll pop out. Okay, so squeeze both sides in there, and it'll lower down. Now, because this has a lot of contents in here, we're going to tape up the customer's stuff in there so it doesn't pop out. All right, I'll show you in a little bit. All right, so once you squeeze the items in, those two little pieces, just lower down the glove box door, nice and easy. Okay, I'm going to show you where the air filter is. The cabin filter is in here. And on the sides over here, show you with a flashlight, there's two little clips. Just got to squeeze them in. Get my flashlight here. Right there. Okay. See the one on the top, see the one on the bottom. You're just going to squeeze them together, and you're going to pull the item straight out. So we're going to leave this flashlight here for you, folks. Squeeze this in. Two hands would be better. Oh, there you go. And it's going to come out. Voila. Look at that. Think it's a little dirty? Oh yeah. This stuff needs to be changed. All right, I'm going to pull it out. All the way out. Let's put it on the ground. And we're going to replace it with is the STB brand. This model right here. And if you notice, this one here has an airflow arrow. This one's pointing down. Let's look at the old one. When it comes out, you want it to flow in the same direction. So, let's see where we're going to grab this bugger. There it is. Let's come out with it nice and easy. It's an original one from Kia. The airflow is down. See it? And that's the way we're going to install the new one. Airflow down. So just to make sure you don't get yourself confused, we are going to pull this out. And I like to leave it just the way it came out. So just in case you get confused, you can always look at it. This, just shake it out. Get the new one. Airflow down. Remember? It's going to go like this. And it's going to fall in there. Nice and neat. Yeah, let me straighten it out. I need my other finger. There you go. All nice and neat. All nice and sealed. Get rid of that sad looking one. And this one's going to go in just the way it is. Right back in that same hole. Alright, look in there, make sure there's nothing in there. It's going to go right in there. And it's going to snap. And here it goes. Snap, snap. Just like that. Okay? And it's going to go back up. Just push it right in. Those things are in. Hey, remember when I told you that piece that peels off? This peels off. All right, we'll take the tape off and we'll put that cable back on. I'm going to show you real quickly here because you need 2 hands to do this. But you take the cable, make this the long ways, and you stick it through here. Okay, once you pull it out on that side, then the square will straighten out. I'm going to have to pull it from the side. Hold on. All right, so once it's through on the other side, the little square piece is going to look just like that. I'll get you a flashlight so you can see. All right, that's it. That's what holds it. All right, now it lays flat. It's perfect. There you go, done. Now the cabin air should be a lot cleaner. All right, okay, enjoy.